Overview of anxiety disorders. Anxiety isn't just stress. Anxiety is more than feeling worry. Anxiety is a part of your natural reaction to stress. Although occasional anxiety is normal, and anxiety can become problematic when these feelings become difficult to control. Anxiety disorders are mental health conditions involving excessive fear and worry about everyday situations. They are persistent, intense, and often out of proportion to the actual situation, which can lead to physical and emotional symptoms. Common types of anxiety include generalized anxiety disorder, social anxiety disorder, panic disorder, phobias, separation anxiety disorder, selective mutisms. Treatment usually involved psychotherapy and medications, along with lifestyle changes, healthy coping skills, and other research-based interventions. What are some causes for anxiety disorders? A mix of factors like genetic, life experiences, and environmental, to say the least. If you suspect you or your loved ones have an anxiety disorder, talk to your doctor or a mental health professional is the first step to proper diagnosis and treatment. If you're already diagnosed, which type of anxiety do you experience, and what works best for you? There's help and you are not alone. Just reach out. Take care from Flourish Counseling Service.